Just by steaming ginger, you can say goodbye to minor ailments. Have you ever thought that just one ordinary piece of ginger in the kitchen when steamed could become a miracle remedy to protect your health all summer long? It may sound hard to believe, but this is actually a folk secret I recently discovered from the old generations. Steaming ginger not only softens its strong spiciness, but also increases its valuable active compounds, making it far more beneficial than when eaten raw. So what exactly makes steamed ginger so special? And why can even those who don't like the taste of ginger eat it easily this way? Stay until the end of today's video, and I will reveal the entire secret. I guarantee you'll be surprised and want to try it right away. First, when bringing ginger home, it needs to be cleaned to ensure keeping all the nutrients and its distinctive flavor. You only need to prepare a basin of clean water, add about 2 tablespoons of salt, stir well until dissolved. Then put the ginger in to soak for about 5 minutes. Salt not only helps disinfect and sterilize, but also acts as a natural abrasive, helping to wash away the soil and dirt clinging in the grooves of the ginger. After 5 minutes, you only need to use a knife to cut off the bruised or spoiled parts. Absolutely do not peel off the entire skin. According to folk experience, ginger skin not only helps cool the body, but also contains many valuable nutrients. After that, wash the ginger one more time with clean water, then take it out and let it drain. After the ginger has been cleaned and drained, the next step is to steam it. First, prepare a clean steamer pot, pour in water, then arrange each piece of ginger neatly in the steamer basket without stacking them on top of each other, so the ginger can be heated evenly. Then turn on the stove and steam the ginger over high heat. When the water in the steamer starts boiling, lower the heat and continue steaming for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this process, the heat will help some of the sharp spiciness and pungent bite in the ginger evaporate, with the steam making the flavor milder and easier to eat. What is special is that steaming ginger does not reduce nutrients, but instead increases the active compounds gingerol and shogol, 2 compounds well known for their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, digestion-supporting, and immunity-boosting effects. Because of this, even people who normally dislike the sharp, spicy taste of fresh ginger can use it easily. This is a preparation method that is both simple and helps maximize the health benefits of ginger, very suitable to add to daily meals, especially during days when the weather changes. When the steaming time is enough, turn off the stove and take the ginger out onto a plate to cool down a bit, then proceed to slice it into thin pieces, just enough to eat. Ginger, after being steamed and sliced thin, will retain a lot of precious nutrients. Among them, the volatile oils have the effect of promoting blood circulation, helping the body to warm up quickly, especially when the weather changes suddenly. The active compound gingerol is famous for its strong antioxidant ability, helping to slow the process of cell aging, and at the same time, it also has natural anti-inflammatory properties, supporting the reduction of pain and discomfort caused by inflammation. In addition, steamed ginger is also rich in amino acids, an important component for the regeneration and growth of cells, contributing to strengthening resistance. When used regularly, steamed ginger not only helps improve the digestive system, reduces the feeling of bloating and nausea, but also strengthens the immune system, helping the body to be healthier and more resilient. This is the reason why steamed ginger is considered a natural miracle remedy for daily health. After slicing the ginger thinly, you only need to spread each slice evenly on a clean tray and place it in a dry, airy spot, best if there is natural sunlight. The warm temperature from the sunlight will gradually help the moisture inside the ginger evaporate, thereby inhibiting the growth of bacteria and mold, the main causes that make ginger spoil easily. When dried to the right level, meaning you see the surface of the ginger slightly tightened and dried, it is ready. At this point, you can use it to brew ginger tea with a little honey, which is extremely good for the throat and very effective in soothing coughs and colds. Did you know that ginger, after being sun-dried, not only retains its nutrients, but also has a richer, more fragrant flavor compared to when fresh? Especially active compounds like gingerol will become more concentrated, bringing even more health benefits. However, you should also take care not to dry it too long under harsh sunlight, because the ginger will become brittle, easy to break, and lose its natural delicious taste. Properly sun-dried ginger is both safe and convenient to use gradually throughout the year. When the surface of the ginger has dried at this point, you can preserve it and turn it into pickled ginger and vinegar for long-term use. First, prepare a clean glass jar that is completely dry. Absolutely no water or oil should be left inside, as it can easily spoil the ginger. Arrange the dried ginger slices neatly into the jar. Then sprinkle in a little rock sugar. Rock sugar has a mild sweetness, and when it melts, it balances out the sharp acidity of the vinegar, making the flavor gentler and easier to eat, creating a very harmonious sweet and sour taste. Next, you can choose the type of vinegar that suits your taste. If you want a mellow flavor, rich aroma, refreshing and full-bodied, then use grape vinegar or fruit vinegar, the kind aged for many years from grapes with a rounded taste. On the other hand, if you prefer something fresher and lighter, then white vinegar is the ideal choice, with a bright sourness that is easy to enjoy. After adding the vinegar, seal the jar tightly and leave it for a few days so the ginger can absorb evenly. The result is lightly crisp ginger slices with a sweet and sour taste that is easy to enjoy, perfect to serve with rice porridge or eaten directly to aid digestion and boost health. This is a method of preservation that is both delicious and nutritious, which you can apply right at home. Pickled ginger, after it has absorbed the flavor of vinegar and rock sugar evenly, will have a balanced sweet and sour taste that is very easy to eat. Every morning, just eating about 2 slices of pickled ginger, you can clearly feel the effect. The digestive system is stimulated, the uncomfortable feeling of bloating quickly decreases, and at the same time, the sense of taste becomes sharper. This is a very useful tip for those who often lose their appetite or find food tasteless. Not only eaten directly, pickled ginger can also be served with plain rice or a hot bowl of porridge, both enhancing the flavor and making the meal more complete. The mild spiciness combined with the pleasant sweet and sour taste of ginger not only supports digestion, but also helps warm the body and strengthen resistance. This is truly a simple way to take care of health every day, especially during times when the weather changes. So just from ordinary pieces of ginger through the steps of cleaning, steaming, drying, and then soaking with vinegar and rock sugar, we already have a pickled ginger dish that is both delicious and nutritious. Not only can it be preserved for a long time, but pickled ginger also brings many health benefits, supporting digestion, warming the body, strengthening immunity, and making meals more flavorful. Every morning, eating a few slices of pickled ginger, you will feel your body lighter and much healthier. If you find this little tip useful, try applying it right at home and share your experience. Don't forget to leave a comment, press like, and share the video so more people can know about it. And remember to follow the channel so you won't miss simple yet effective tips that make everyday life more convenient and healthier.